Hey guys, we're somewhere in Bucay right now, and we're on this road, and actually we have no idea where we are, but hopefully we're gonna see some waterfall and some mountains, so we'll see where this leads to, because other than our friends up there, we don't see anybody else with us. Okay, so it looks like we're here. We're in some some little place here, and supposedly there's supposed to be a Cascadas de Recuerdo here, so we're gonna go down and hopefully we'll make our way somewhere. Supposedly we have to go up this pathway to get there. Sketchy, huh? Oh yeah, I love this interesting pathway. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh boy. Alright, we're making our way down to waterfall number 1. Yep, there's something here. Oh wow. Yeah. Beautiful. Definitely a beautiful waterfall. And they have a variety of little ones here too that all comes together here. But just the way how the waterfall cascades off the rocks, definitely magical.
Con tu machete, ¿verdad? Está bueno.
¿Seguro que no nos perdemos, Daniel?
Vamos.
¿Cuántas culebras? Oh, there are a lot of snakes.
Uh-huh. I guess not. We keep going up. Love these little pathways, man. Yeah, I guess this is why I love this stuff, because you never know the challenge of going through these wet pathways. But I hear something. Well, I hear the rush of the water, so it should be pretty good. Here we go. Whoa. Gotta be a little careful here. Everything's really slippery. Already fell down a couple times. Wow. Whoa. Let's get a better view. Oh. This is beautiful. There's a ladder there that can go up more. And it goes down that way. Gotta climb this ladder. Next phase. Oh. This is the only way. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. This is actually pretty cool. Yeah.
I don't think there's more.
So the next phase is I have to climb this thing, climb this steep path way up there. All right, here we go. Oh. Woo! Wow. Now this is waterfall number 3, I guess. And this is something. Beautiful. Worth the hike up here. Okay, so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, make a comment, share it, and subscribe to Joseph B. Fun.